One man, one course. One last shot at redemption. Mac, already a legend for his epic defeats, now stands at the edge of the world's most brutal obstacle course. Hundreds of feet above the ground, every step is a gamble with gravity. One wrong move and it's all over. But this isn't just about the money. This is about proving something, not just to the world, not just to Mr. Beast, but to himself. If he survives all 6 levels, he walks away with $800,000. But if he fails, it's over. Forever, Jimmy announces off camera. And with that, Mac's Beast Mode journey begins. High above the earth, the first challenge awaits, a leap of faith. The platforms sway in the wind, and the distance looks impossible. I don't know if I can jump that far, Mac shouts, but he jumps. Below him, nothing but 200 feet of air. The crowd holds its breath. The platform shakes beneath him.